Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to bold text in Ms. Word. We will open the document to see the text to be put in bold. First, you can select this text. When doing so, right-click and choose the font option. Now in font style, select the option Bold. Click on OK to see your text in bold. Additionally, you can select the text and click on the bold icon located in the font group. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.